Good morning, friends. Good morning, my fellow forex trader, crypto traders, and stock traders. I greet you all. Happy weekend to you all. My name is Samuel Okoyocha, reaching you from Biafra land in West Africa. Time now is 8:45 a.m. I want to bring you cryptocurrency analysis based on Elliott, advanced method of Elliott wave analysis. Okay. So without wasting your time, let me start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin. See, I made some adjustments on my Bitcoin. Okay, you know, for a long time, I've been expecting the move up to get to this blue box before it goes down. But right now, I am no longer looking for the market to go to the blue box because of some what I can see on my chart. You can see we have a kind of a new channel. After this drop, I no longer look for market to come to this very blue box again. So that's the little change we have. Secondly, the second change I can notice that we may not come to as low as 22,700 before the major impulse. We might get a reversal around this area, so take note of that. So this 22,000 plus is now let's say 70-30. That is 70% probability we will get to this very level, then 30% we may end up from this level. But in a standard in a standard movement, according to Elliott wave technical analysis, we will likely have to get to this place. In fact, if this whole thing is stock or forex, I can tell you that it's 99.9% we will get here. But since it is crypto is still somehow more dynamic and other like stock, commodity, forex, and others. So, but at least we're gonna get here. It's either here or here. But don't rule this out. Don't rule out this level. So one thing is, I'm saying that I'm no longer looking for the price to come up to this blue box before the further down. Okay, let's continue. This is still Bitcoin. I just expanded the chart. I zoom in the chart for us to see what is really happening. Okay, so we can see this is corrective move WSYSZ. So just there's no difference, just to let you know that this channel can support the pair. We may not get to the main target. We may end up here and off we move. Okay. This is Ethereum Bitcoin chart. Ethereum Bitcoin chart. So I'm looking forward for price to come to this blue box before it will go up again. Okay. So I'm expecting what we call running flat. This is A, B, C. That's running flat. So, but if it goes above this place, it become expanding flat. But I don't think it will go like that. I think it's gonna go down from here. Then from here we will go up again. So that is Ethereum to BTC. In overall, Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin in overall movement. Okay, let's move Ethereum US dollar. Ethereum US dollar, we are looking for the price to continue inside the blue this channel, something like this, then up move. So for now that's all we have about this. But there's something there's something I want to let you know, though you may not understand it. But see, this very drop, this W X Y X Z, can equally be labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I don't want to label it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because though the move is impulsive. If it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it means that this whole move is wave A, then this move is wave B, then wave C will now go very, very, very deeper, which I think may not happen. And if that is the case, this move here will be sharp. It won't be going like this, unless it wants to give us 1, 2, then 3, and so on. In that case, we may see Ethereum going back to 1,200, 1,100, which like it may not happen. So, and I'm just telling you what technical analysis is all about. So, I'm not expecting that. That's why I label it as WSYSZ, because WSYSZ is a complete structure. If it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it is A. Then I'm expecting another move like this towards down, so which is likely may not happen. So let's move Ethereum 1 hour. So 1 hour, just to see the what we are looking at. This move is still going down. It has broken the low. It has taken out this low. So you can see it. So what we are looking for now is a kind of A, B, C. Then it will go down. So when price comes to this level, this very blue box, you can now look for your sell. If you are trading it as a margin, you look for sell from there. Then I'm showing you all this for you to for you to know what we are expecting. So if anybody telling you that Ethereum is going to 500, 30%, he is not lying. So some people will cause unnecessary panic in the market so that you sell off your asset and they will buy. If you have been listening to me for all this while, I'm trying to encourage you not to sell your assets, because if you sell it, you will regret. It has happened to me in the past. That's why I know what is happening. You may sell or buy out of fear, then you're gonna regret it. So you must sell or buy as you plan to do. If you cannot sell or buy as plan to do, which means you don't know what is happening in the market. When people begin to say it's going up, then you go and buy. Then tomorrow or this week it will go down. What they are saying is going back. It's going down. You better you sell to save some money. You sell. The next day it will go up. That's why I tell you, you need to learn. Register to my class, and I will teach you. You begin to trade with peace of mind. Okay. Ripple. Ripple, this wave, in Ripple, I don't see Ripple going below this very level. I don't see Ripple going below this level. If Ripple goes below this level, I will change the account. I see this as wave 1, this as wave 2. If Ripple goes below this low, then I will now, this will automatically become wave A, then this will be wave B, and maybe wave C will come somewhere here, then we go down again. Just as I said on Bitcoin and Ethereum, I don't see it happening. So I think this wave 1, wave 2, then the next move, after all the delay we are experiencing, we will see a sharp move, which will be wave 3. That's what I can see that will happen. So Ripple, we may not get a new low on Ripple. I'm expecting a new low on Bitcoin. For so many other altcoins, I don't see the new low making it again. So this is 4 hours chart. You may get a new low on 1 hour chart, but on 4 hours, I don't see this low being broken. At least I can say it's 80 over 20. It's 80, it's gonna broke. Then 20, it can broke. I mean, having too low. I mean, I'm talking about the breaking of this very white line. That's going below 0.65 is what I'm talking about. Then 1 hour on Ripple, just what we are saying, a break of this are giving us a reason that we are no longer coming to this level. So what do we have now? So what I'm looking at now is that this is A, then B can give us W, X, Y, then it will B, then C, then drop. So watch out for this kind of structure. Or maybe this is A, B, then C, it will drop. But in a worst case scenario, we may even break this this level and come to this place and still drop again. So what I'm trying to say is that this lower line is where I'm expecting Ripple to end its journey going to the south. Then the next will be the price will begin to go up once more. Binance, excuse me, just like Bitcoin and the Ethereum, I'm no longer looking for the price to come up to this blue box. Though anything can happen in crypto, unless we see a sharp move, maybe something like this moving. But from what I'm seeing technically, we are no longer coming to this place. It's now 90 over 10. 90% probability we are going down from here. Then 10% we may break this and come up here. Then from there we come back there. But if something happens, we get a sharp move to this place, then we may not come to this level again. We may end up coming to this place and going up from there. So that's two things we bear in mind. If something happens, technically we are going down. But if something fundamental happens that make this structure to change, we may end up breaking this high, and if it happens, we may not come to this very low again. We may end up this high, this low, and the price will go up. So two things we have in mind. We are going down from here, number one. Number two, if something happens, we may go up, and if we go up, we may not go to this low again. We may end up to this level, and price will go up. So bear that in mind. And this is wave 1, this is wave 2. Then we go. That's it. The next is Litecoin. In Litecoin, you can see this drop is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I don't want to see it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to see it as W, S, Y, S, Z. Because if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it means this is wave A. Then this is wave B, which means we will see another move like this from here that will give us wave C. Secondly, if that is the case, this thing will not happen like this. We will likely have something like this that we give us to be here, then down. I'm saying this not for everybody, for those who have the idea of wave count. If you don't know about wave count, you cannot understand what I'm trying to say. So let me not continue saying it anyway. So I'm looking for, I'm seeing this as the bottom of Litecoin. I don't expect it to, the price to break it. So, and then if price doesn't break it, then this count is correct. This is wave 1, this is wave 2, and we will go up from here. But if it breaks it, then it will be wave A, wave B, wave C, and we may get more delay before we go up. But if this channel holds, then from here we take off for the major strong move up once again. Okay, what next? DOGE, the almighty DOGE. Okay, DOGE, no difference about DOGE. I'm saying in many altcoins, I don't see a new low. In DOGE again, I don't see a new low from here. Just my view. It may still happen, but the way the market is moving, I think this W, X, Y, X, Z, we end the temporal correction after this. This is an impulse, correction impulse. So this is correcting all this. This level, this move down here may end the down move. From here, we begin our journey, either to $1 or to to the former temporal high, which is 0.75 or 0.74. So that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at now. Okay. Next coin is okay. All right. 1 hour chart. So 1 hour chart. So you can see. This move. When the price was moving like this, I was expecting a break, but once this drop happens, I don't see it breaking again. Maybe 1 A, B, C, then down. So I'm expecting from here, we have a new low already on 1 hour chart, but on 4 hour chart, I don't expect a new low. So maybe a drop towards this place will end everything. Then we go up. ETN, there's no much changes from my last analysis. Okay, one thing about all these coins that the sellers are no longer much. The sellers are very, very few. You all know, you will know this if you are trained to know. From what I'm seeing in the chart, sellers are very, very few. Many people are not willing to sell again. And when that happens, when those who are selling are tired of selling, or when they exhaust their stock, what will happen? The price will peak. So hopefully, sooner than we expect, many coins will peak. The only delay that we have is that Bitcoin is still dropping. That's the only challenge. The only problem is that Bitcoin is still dropping. That is the only problem. If not, altcoins are no longer dropping with are no longer dropping in volume. Okay. ETN 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. We can see this channel. It broke and bounced back. The price is inside this channel again. Now it's formed another new channel. Now, will this channel keep going down or not? If it will keep going down, then we will have something like this, something like this, something like this, then like this. But if not, if this main channel contains the market, when we will have this, maybe this, and this. So on ETN, I'm just expecting the price to go up. As a matter of fact, any fund I get again, I will buy more of ETN, I will buy more of SHIBA, and even buy more of DOGE. Any fund that comes to my hand now, I will invest in ETN, SHIBA, and DOGE. Okay, this is the SHIBA I'm talking about. So I only show you 1 hour time frame on SHIBA because no need go to 4 hours. Okay, you remember I forecasted this. Now I don't even expect this much drop. That's one thing with crypto. I expected kind of A, B, C that will end here, but it dropped deeper. And once it dropped deeper, there is a possibility it can still come to this very blue box. Though it have reached this standard level of correction, but it can go deeper. You cannot, it can still go deeper. So I always give you every possibility so that which one that's happening, you won't be surprised. Thirdly, okay, first, the correction is over, we are going up. Secondly, we can bounce here and go up. Thirdly, something like this can happen. Do you get it? Another structure. So 3 things we are expecting. 1, this pullback or correction is over. We are going up from here. 2, we may come back to this blue box and go up. 3, we may go up, then have A, B, C before continue going up. Okay. Anyone again? I think that's the last pair I'm analyzing. Which one? Oh, I didn't. I did not show you Elliott today. Anyway, all those altcoins are behave the same way, so I cannot be showing you all of them because they are behaving the same way. The same little adjustment I made on others is what I can make on ADA. Even ADA, maybe this channel can bounce back from here. So there is no need changing this narrative because it may bounce back from here and continue going up. So that is it. That is it. So I'm telling you once again, do not sell your coin out of fear. Do not sell your coin out of fear. You can only sell your coin, maybe you don't. You can only sell your coin, maybe lack of fund, something important happened. You need money to solve it. If not, don't sell out of fear. Don't sell out of fear, because if you do, you will regret. I know what I'm saying. It has happened to me in the past. Okay, I wish you good luck. Enjoy your weekend, and trade and invest wisely. If you have reserve money, this is time to invest in crypto. Even if it keeps dropping, don't mind. It won't drop much. For instance, I don't expect this ADA to come to this low again. I don't. The worst that will happen, we may break this low, come to this level, that is where this one joins, and then go up. Okay. Having said this, enjoy your day. I bring it to end this very analysis. The next will be crypto. Sorry, the next will be forex, currency pays, gold, silver, and some commodities as well. Sorry, some stocks as well. Okay. All right. God bless you. Bye.